Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today our lecture is about the species and concept of species. That what is species? Okay? So you may have heard about the species in your previous classes. From your 9th, 10th, first year and second year, you are studying what is species, genus, family, class, order, etc. etc. So today we are here to discuss about the species, subspecies, variety, forma. Okay? So first of all, what is species? Those individuals which can interbreed freely and produce fertile offsprings is known as species. For example, Rosa alba, Morus alba. So Rosa is the genus and alba is the species. Morus is a genus and alba is a species. There are so many other species as well. For example, Homo sapiens, Manotica buxifolia, Triticum aestivum, Z. maiz, Oryza sativa, Saccharum officinarum, etc. etc. Okay? So you may have understood about the concept of species. Okay? Next one is the subspecies. Subspecies means the, they will be belong to the same species. They will be have the same population, but they will be morphologically and geographically different. शक्ल के लिहाज से और इलाके के लिहाज से ये एक दूसरे से मुख्तलिफ होंगे. So subspecies means the plant representative belongs to the same species, but they will be different from each other on the basis of morphology. Okay, but they will be same regarding to their cytology and genetics. So we can define it those representative of the same species which are morphologically different from each other but cytologically and genetically they are same. It means they can interbreed with each other and they can produce fertile offsprings. Okay, next one is the variety. Variety means local variants. They will be belong to the same species and same subspecies as well. And they will be belonging to the same locality. Geographically they will be similar. एक इलाके से ही इसका ताल्लुक होगा. But morphologically, locally they will having different varieties. इसमें से चंद ही खुसूसियात के बिना पर ये एक दूसरे से डिफरेंट होंगे. Okay, and they can interbreed freely and produce fertile offspring as well. So we can define the variety as that these are the local variants belonging to the same subspecies and same species, but they are morphologically different from each other and belonging to the same area. Okay, next one is the forma. Forma is also known as form, F-O-R-M. These are also belonging to the same species, same subspecies and same variety as well, but they will having morphological differences from each other regarding single or few characters. They will be different from each other, especially in one character, two or three characters. That is known as forma. Okay. Next one is the flora. There are two technical terms. One is written with capital F and the other is written with a small f. Both having same spelling, F-L-O-R-A. But one is written with a capital F and the other is with a small f. So flora, it is the official book which is published by the government of a country, officially published, and it represents the overall names of the species, their characters, their genre name, their family names, their classes, each and everything is mentioned. So that is known as flora. For example, flora of Pakistan, flora of India, flora of China, flora of Germany, flora of North America, flora of South America, etc., etc. Okay? So flora written with capital F, that is an official book published by the government and it is officially recognized, okay, and it having names of all the species mentioned. ठीक है? Next one is the flora written with a small f. So this is the vegetation of an area. Vegetation means the overall herbs, shrubs and trees found in that area. Okay? Next one is the concept of species. This is a very important topic for all of you regarding the taxonomy. As you know that those individuals which can interbreed freely and produce fertile offspring is known as species. So there are basically three concepts of species. Number one is typological concept, second one is biological concept, and number third one is the taxonomic concept. So first of all, what is typological concept? Typological concept means when only single member of a species represent the whole population of that area. ठीक है? जब हम किसी एक मेंबर को हर्बेरियम में रखते हैं और वो उसका पूरा पॉपुलेशन रिप्रेजेंट करता है तो उसको हम कहते हैं टाइपोलॉजिकल स्पीशीज कंसेप्ट. इट रिप्रेजेंट्स only a single member. For example, it is kept in a herbarium. Okay, so that is known as type specimen. Okay, so that will have a holotype. When a plant is identified, it is discovered for the first time, so we designate a holotype. Okay, and the other individuals, they are known as isotype. If a plant species does not have a holotype, then it will have a lictotype. We designate a lictotype amongst the syntypes. Okay, so typological species concept is that kind of concept when only single individual members represent the whole population of a species. Okay, number second one is biological species concept. This is a concept in which the species of the same area, same locality and same country, they can interbreed freely with each other, but they are reproductively isolated from other species and other populations. ठीक है? For example, Manotheca buxifolia, it is a species and it can interbreed with his another colleague. Okay, it can produce fertile seeds and offsprings. So actually they are reproductively isolated from Morus alba, Morus nigra. Okay, so that is known as biological species concept. ठीक है? जब एक ही स्पीशीज के इंडिविजुअल सारे वो आपस में इंटरब्रीड कर सकते हैं, बट रिप्रोडक्टिवली दे आर आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम अदर पॉपुलेशन. दूसरा जो स्पीशी है, दूसरी जो पॉपुलेशन है वो उससे डिफरेंट है, तो उसको हम बायोलॉजिकल स्पीशीज कंसेप्ट कहते हैं. ठीक है? नंबर थर्ड वन इज द टैक्सोनोमिक स्पीशी कंसेप्ट. Taxonomic species concept means those species which we identify them with the help of morphology and geographically. Okay, how we can define them? Those species which are morphologically same, okay, within different areas as well, but geographically they are also same. Okay, their climate, their elevation, their altitude, their topography, their physiography, they are same. Therefore this concept is also known as morphological species concept. Okay, because their morphology is same. Okay, it is also known as geographical species concept because the geography of those species are also same. This species concept was developed during the evolution of Darwin's theory. Okay, when Darwin proposed their theory in 1857, so this theory at that time, this species concept was followed by many botanists. Okay, and it was well recognized. But nowadays the modern taxonomist and modern botanist, due to the evolution of phylogeny, DNA barcoding, and molecular studies. So this concept is no more followed by the modern botanist. Okay, modern botanists usually follow the biological species concept or the typological species concept. Okay, so I think you all may have understood about the species, subspecies, variety, forma, flora, vegetation, and these three concepts. Okay, I think all of you may have enjoyed our lecture. If you like our lectures, so please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well. Thank you.